Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the object menu in Goodnotes is a powerful feature that lets you quickly edit, move, resize, copy and manage elements like handwriting, images, shapes and text. In this guide I will show you step by step how to use the object menu in Goodnotes in 2026 efficiently and like a pro. So first thing first, select an object using the lasso tool. So for example, tap the lasso here. Okay. Draw around the object, text drawing for example, or anything. Okay, for example, let's suppose this one. Okay, the object becomes selected. Open the object menu. After selecting, tap inside the selected area. Okay, the object menu will appear. This is your control panel. Move and resize the object. So drag to move the object, use handles if available to resize. Okay, so you have here the handles. Okay, you can resize it as you want. Adjust placements for better layout. For example, you can use common object menu object options. So depending on what you selected, you will see cut, copy, paste. Okay, delete, resize, rotate, convert, for example, handwriting to text. So options vary by object type. Okay, you can duplicate objects quickly, so select objects with lasso. After that, tap copy. Okay, and then you can paste it somewhere else. Okay, it creates in the identical elements fast, so you can change objects properties. For example, for certain objects, change color, adjust thickness, edit text. Okay, customize without redrawing again. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.